Are you struggling with tiny menu sections in system apps like Adobe Illustrator or similar software? Do those small icons make your workflow a little frustrating? Well, I've got a simple solution for you. Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and super easy tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to adjust settings to enlarge the main menu buttons and sidebars in Adobe Illustrator, especially for older versions like Adobe CC 2015, and even share an alternate method for newer versions like Adobe CC 2021 and beyond. And yes, this works for other Adobe apps too. We are Wocsol, your trusted source for tutorials to make your tools more efficient and user-friendly. Let's get started. Before we start, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. My screen resolution is 5120 x 2880, which is a 5K display. This can be why some of you may experience issues with tiny menu icons in apps like Illustrator or similar apps. High-resolution monitors, especially with resolutions like 4K and above, often display text and icons at smaller sizes, which can cause them to appear too small or hard to read. But no worries, with the steps I've shown you, you can easily adjust the interface to make it more comfortable to use, no matter your screen setup. Here's how you can adjust these settings if you're using an older version of Adobe Illustrator, like CC 2015. Follow along step by step. Step 1. Locating the Illustrator.exe file. First, we need to locate the Illustrator program file on your system. Head over to this directory. C. Program Files Adobe Illustrator CC 2015 Support Files Contents Windows Illustrator.exe. Once you're there, right-click on the Illustrator.exe file and select Properties. Step 2. Next, go to the Compatibility tab in the Properties window. Here, you'll find an option called Change High DPI Settings. Click on it to open a new window. Step 3. In this window, enable the option Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and make sure the drop-down is set to System, then click OK to save your changes. Demonstration of effect. Now, here's the important part. You'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Don't worry, it's a one-time step, and once your system restarts, the main menu buttons and sidebars will be enlarged, making everything much easier to use. This is especially helpful for older versions of Illustrator. Alternate method for newer versions. If you're using Adobe CC 2021 or newer, there's an even simpler way to adjust the UI scaling directly from within the app. Just head to the Edit menu on Windows, or the Illustrator menu on Mac, and go to Preferences, User Interface. Here, you'll find the UI scaling slider. Adjust it to your preferred size, hit OK, and you're done. Highlight differences. Remember, this UI scaling slider is only available in newer versions, so if you're on an older version, stick to the compatibility settings method I just showed you. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to make your Adobe workspace more comfortable and accessible, whether you're on an older or newer version of the software. These adjustments can really enhance your workflow and reduce eye strain. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from Wocsol. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or requests. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.